Hi, I'm Rich. I work for Upgrade Bikes. I do a lot of things for the company. One of my predominant roles is running our 4 websites made by Aspidistra Software. We sell to predominantly people within the UK, but for our in-house brands, DMR and Kinesis Bikes, we sell all over the world. We have a distribution network which we supply from the UK and from Far East and other places in the world. Before Aspidistra helped us, we didn't have a business-to-business platform. We had a website. It was very basic. It was basic HTML things. It wasn't built on a platform. It just basically said, this is our telephone number, this is our email address, this is our address. Please get in contact to buy our products. And we had a printed catalogue.
Hi, I'm Matt Ryley. I am the upgrade designer, so I design products for Kinesis and DMR. I've often had ideas of how I want that website to be and look. Other companies would take it down another road and not really listen to what we really wanted. I did a design, page layouts of how I wanted it to look. The first time since I've been here at Upgrade that we've got a website how we wanted it.
The challenges we faced were just having a forward-facing contact website. We had competitors having business-to-business platforms and somewhat selling their products over ours, because people wanted the convenience. That is where we were falling down a little bit, and Aspidistra helped us connect to the customers that were having trouble connecting to us. The website is now a good proportion of our business. The advantages we've had of a much more dynamic website, which we've created with Aspidistra, now we've got one link. You click on one link that Aspidistra have written for us, and it connects our website to other people's websites, populates their website with images, text, pricing, up-to-date stock records, and it does that automatically. I don't even need to think about it. It's slick and professional, and this is the way the world works now.
My name's Matt from Upgrade Bikes, one of the directors here. Aspidistra are our website provider and do all the backroom stuff for us. It seems to work seamlessly. I have very little involvement, which is always a good thing from my point of view, and I can leave Aspidistra and our guys here to get on with it, and it runs smoothly, so works well for me.
We found out about Aspidistra online. We were needing to build some kind of a better online platform to deliver a lot of different things to our dealers and customers. From a quick Google search, we found Aspidistra's website and we read about them. From the first point of contact, they were fantastically communicative and they were really professional. They looked at our systems, and where others had failed, came in, reread our software that we had in place here with Sage and built what we required it to do. Other people had failed to do it, whereas Aspidistra, they did it, and it still impresses us on a day-to-day basis how quick and efficiently and professionally they work. They will talk to you on a personal level. They'll tell you how things work. They will always give you ideas. They'll listen to what you want. They won't contradict you. They won't talk down to you. They will just literally listen to you and be really communicative and friendly. They're the nicest people. They really are. What they've produced is something that I can give to any staff member, and they can edit, update and change our websites with ease. If you don't have a website, you're going to be falling behind very quickly in business and e-commerce nowadays. If you're looking to find something, you Google it. You've got to be at the top. Aspidistra will put you there.